Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in like your signature on Google Sheets. So go to insert and then go to the drawing section here. Then you're going to select line, select scribble, and just do your signature. I'm just going to do the okay, that's so bad. I'm just going to write down hey as like my signature. Here you can change the color of the signature as well, and you can adjust like how thick you want the signature to be, maybe like 2 pixels. 2p, okay. Anyways, you're just going to then save and close, and then it's going to be added to your document as a signature. Insert name here. And that's it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.